Did you know that by stimulating your vagus nerve, you can achieve a calmer state of mind and a healthier body? Stay tuned to learn more about stress, the vagus nerve, how to stimulate it to be calmer, and more. What is stress? Stress is your body's natural response to any demand or challenge. It's the way your brain and body react to any pressure or threat, real or perceived, psychological or physical. Stress can be triggered by a variety of factors, including work, relationships, financial problems, lack of sleep, or even everyday events like traffic jams. While stress is a normal part of life and can be beneficial in small amounts, helping you to stay alert and motivated, excessive stress can have detrimental effects on your physical and mental health. There are three primary types of stress. Acute stress. This is the most common form of stress, arising from specific events or situations that are novel and unpredictable. It is short-term and typically resolves quickly, like giving a presentation or getting stuck in traffic. Episodic acute stress. This type involves frequent episodes of acute stress. People who frequently experience this kind of stress often live chaotic lives, rushing from one crisis to another. Chronic stress. This is ongoing stress that seems never-ending and inescapable, like the stress of a bad marriage, dysfunctional family, or an over-demanding job. Chronic stress can be particularly damaging to your health. What is the impact of stress on health? The impact of stress on health can be profound and far-reaching. When you're stressed, your body goes into a fight or flight mode, releasing stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. While this response is useful for dealing with immediate threats, chronic activation of this stress response can wreak havoc on your body and mind. Cardiovascular health. Chronic stress can increase your heart rate and blood pressure, leading to an elevated risk of heart disease and stroke. It can also contribute to inflammation in your circulatory system, further increasing the risk of cardiovascular problems. Immune system. Prolonged stress weakens your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections and illnesses. It can also slow down your body's ability to heal wounds and recover from sickness. Mental health. Stress is a major contributor to mental health disorders such as anxiety and depression. It can lead to mood swings, irritability, and feelings of overwhelm. Chronic stress also impairs cognitive functions like memory, attention, and decision-making. Sleep. Stress can disrupt your sleep patterns, leading to insomnia or poor quality sleep. This lack of rest can further exacerbate stress, creating a vicious cycle. Digestive health. Stress can affect your digestive system by causing or worsening symptoms like bloating, cramps, and irritable bowel syndrome, known as IBS. It can also affect your appetite, leading to weight gain or loss. What is the impact of stress on fat gain? Stress can definitely contribute to weight gain in several ways. Cortisol, the stress hormone, and fat storage. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, which can increase appetite and cravings for high-calorie, sugary foods. Cortisol also encourages the storage of fat, particularly in the abdominal area. Emotional eating. Stress often leads to emotional eating, where people consume comfort foods high in sugar and fat to cope with their feelings. Insulin resistance. Prolonged stress can lead to insulin resistance, making it harder for your body to manage blood sugar levels effectively. This can increase the risk of type 2 diabetes and obesity. What is the impact of stress on gut health? The gut-brain axis, a bidirectional communication pathway between the gut and the brain, is significantly influenced by stress. Stress can alter the gut microbiota, leading to imbalances that affect digestion, immunity, and overall health. Stress can increase gut permeability, also known as leaky gut, where toxins and bacteria leak into the bloodstream, causing inflammation and affecting mental health. Digestive disorders. Stress can exacerbate symptoms of digestive disorders such as IBS, leading to discomfort and impaired nutrient absorption. Microbiota imbalance. Chronic stress can lead to an imbalance in gut bacteria, affecting digestion and overall health. This imbalance can contribute to conditions like anxiety and depression. The impact of stress on brain health. Stress can have profound effects on brain health, affecting mood, cognition, and overall brain function. Neurotransmitter imbalance. Stress affects the production and regulation of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, leading to mood disorders and decreased motivation. Neuroplasticity. Chronic stress reduces neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new connections and pathways. This can impair learning and memory and increase the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Hippocampus damage. The hippocampus, a brain region critical for memory and learning, can shrink under chronic stress, leading to memory impairment and cognitive decline. How to reset your vagus nerve for calmness. The vagus nerve is the longest cranial nerve in the body, extending from the brainstem to the abdomen. It plays a crucial role in regulating the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest and digestion. Stimulating the vagus nerve can help reduce stress and promote a calm state of mind. Here is how you can naturally stimulate it and mitigate stress. Cold exposure, such as taking a cold shower or immersing your face in cold water, can stimulate the vagus nerve. This stimulation activates the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing stress levels. Cold exposure can also increase heart rate variability or HRV, an indicator of vagal tone and overall cardiovascular health. Deep, slow breathing is a simple yet powerful way to stimulate the vagus nerve. By taking slow, deep breaths, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps reduce heart rate and blood pressure, promoting relaxation and stress reduction. This practice also increases HRV, enhancing vagal tone and resilience to stress. Singing. It involves deep, rhythmic breathing and the activation of the vocal cords, both of which can stimulate the vagus nerve. Singing also promotes a sense of joy and connection, further reducing stress and anxiety. Group singing, in particular, has been shown to enhance social bonding and emotional well-being. Gargling. It activates the muscles in the back of the throat, stimulating the vagus nerve. This simple practice can help engage the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing stress levels. Gargling with warm salt water can also improve oral health and prevent infections. Probiotics. They are beneficial bacteria that support gut health and influence the gut-brain axis. Consuming probiotics through foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables can enhance vagal tone by promoting a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome positively affects mood, cognition, and overall brain health. Meditation is a powerful practice that involves focusing the mind and promoting relaxation. Regular meditation stimulates the vagus nerve, enhancing parasympathetic activity and reducing stress. It also increases HRV and promotes emotional resilience, improving overall well-being. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s, found in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, have anti-inflammatory properties that support brain and heart health. They also stimulate the vagus nerve, enhancing vagal tone and reducing stress. Omega-3s play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy balance of neurotransmitters, supporting mood and cognitive function. Exercise is a natural stress reliever that stimulates the vagus nerve and promotes relaxation. Regular physical activity increases HRV, enhances vagal tone, and reduces the production of stress hormones like cortisol. Exercise also releases endorphins, which improve mood and reduce feelings of anxiety. Massages. They activate pressure receptors in the skin, stimulating the vagus nerve and promoting relaxation. They reduce muscle tension, enhance circulation, and increase HRV, all of which contribute to reduced stress levels and improved emotional well-being. Regular massages can also improve sleep quality and overall health. Laughing. Laughter is a natural way to stimulate the vagus nerve and promote relaxation. It activates the diaphragm and respiratory muscles, enhancing parasympathetic activity and reducing stress. Laughter also releases endorphins, improving mood and increasing resilience to stress. What strategies are effective to manage stressful moments? Managing stress effectively in the moment requires practical strategies that help you stay calm and focused. Here are some techniques you can use. Mindful breathing. Focus on your breath, taking slow, deep inhales and exhales. This simple practice can help ground you and reduce stress quickly. Progressive muscle relaxation. Tense and relax each muscle group in your body, starting from your toes and working your way up. This technique can help release physical tension and promote relaxation. Visualization. Close your eyes and imagine a peaceful scene you like, such as a beach or a forest. Engage your senses to make the visualization as vivid and detailed as possible, helping to distract your mind from stressor. Positive self-talk. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with positive affirmations. Remind yourself that you can handle the situation and focus on your strengths. Grounding techniques. Engage your senses by focusing on what you can see, hear, feel, smell, and taste. This practice can help anchor you in the present moment and reduce anxiety. Movement. Take a short walk or do some light stretching to release pent-up energy and improve your mood. Physical movement can help clear your mind and reduce stress. Social support. Reach out to a friend or loved one for support. Talking to someone you trust can provide perspective and emotional comfort. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, stress is an unavoidable part of life, but understanding its different forms and impacts on health is crucial for managing it effectively. While acute stress is often temporary and episodic stress arises frequently, chronic stress can have long-lasting effects on physical and mental well-being. It can lead to cardiovascular issues, weaken the immune system, disrupt sleep, and contribute to mental health disorders. Stress is also a key factor in weight gain, gut health problems, and brain health issues. However, by resetting your vagus nerve, you can stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system and promote relaxation. Techniques like cold exposure, deep slow breathing, singing, and probiotics can naturally enhance vagal tone. Engaging in activities such as meditation, exercise, and funny moments can further boost your resilience to stress. For immediate stress relief, practical strategies like mindful breathing, visualization, and seeking social support can help you stay calm and focused. Implementing these practices can lead to a healthier body and a more balanced life. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.